Ever wondered why pineapples have that peculiar, spiky exterior? That's a question for another day. Today, let's dive into the world of this tropical fruit and uncover the myriad of health benefits it offers. Pineapples, a treasure trove of vitamins and minerals, have been a favorite of fruit lovers for centuries. This golden fruit, with its unique taste, is not just a delight for the taste buds, but also a powerhouse of health benefits. Imagine this: you're biting into a juicy, sweet piece of pineapple. That tangy flavor bursting in your mouth is not just delicious, but it's also packed with an abundance of vitamin C. This vitamin is a potent antioxidant, helping our bodies fight off harmful free radicals and boost our immune system. But vitamin C isn't the only hero in this story. Pineapples also contain a high amount of manganese, a mineral essential for maintaining strong bones and healthy connective tissues. So next time you're reaching for a snack, why not grab a slice of pineapple and give your bones a healthy treat? Now let's talk about bromelain. This special enzyme, found only in pineapples, is a true game changer. It aids in digestion, helping break down proteins and alleviate bloating. But that's not all. Bromelain also possesses anti-inflammatory properties, making pineapples an excellent choice for those suffering from conditions like arthritis. And for those of you maintaining a keen eye on your waistline, pineapples have got you covered. They are low in calories and high in fiber, thus promoting satiety and aiding in weight management. Now, onto the other side of the coin. While pineapples are generally safe to eat, they can cause allergic reactions in some individuals. Symptoms can range from mild to severe, including itching, skin rash, and difficulty breathing. Therefore, it's crucial to pay attention to any adverse reactions after consumption. To summarize, the humble pineapple, with its spiky exterior and sweet interior, is a powerhouse of health benefits. From boosting your immune system with its vitamin C content, strengthening your bones with manganese, aiding digestion and reducing inflammation with bromelain, to helping manage weight with its low-calorie and high-fiber content. This tropical fruit is a true health hero. However, as with all good things, moderation is key. Consuming too much pineapple can lead to digestive discomfort due to its high-fiber content. Additionally, those with allergies should exercise caution. Remember, incorporating a variety of fruits, including pineapples, into a balanced diet can contribute to overall health and well-being. So the next time you're at the grocery store, don't forget to grab a pineapple and enjoy the wealth of benefits it offers. After all, good health is the sweetest fruit of all.